Hi there! Would you like to create amazing ebooks and reports in just 5 minutes? And find out how to sell them for money? Even replace your boring job and become a highly successful writer? Want to write a novel? Want to write and sell ebooks? Do you prepare white papers? Do you want to be an author on Amazon or writing for the Kindle bookstore? Ambition is a great thing. We have obtained a generous discount on Scribble, the new software in the cloud for book writing. Some say that Scribble is the world's #1 ebook creator studio. Would you agree? Here are some features of Scribble, where you can easily become an author, working with much higher productivity. No skills required, simply drag and drop from huge resources on the internet. Write ebooks on demand, in minutes. Use 50 hot templates, hundreds more are available. Select from 300 style layouts. You can create unlimited pages, forever. Just click the link below this video. Click the first link in the description box, where it says show more. Hey, thanks. Chat later?